Hi, our target today is to build a simple site views counter. Whenever you make a GET request to a page, the number or the visit counts will increase by one. And we're gonna use a different counters for each page in our sites. For example, this is the about page, and if I hit refresh, its number will increase. Refresh again. If I go to home page, it also has a different number of views. And if I go to back page, now it's 18. To home, now it's 34. To about, now it's 19, and so on and so forth. And also there is a detailed article about how to implement this, and also the source code existed here, and I'm gonna put a link to this article down